Since building the potting table in the last video, I've been potting on some of my seedlings and I've already run out of space in the greenhouse. Most of these are flowers, which I'm really happy about because this is my first year trying to grow cut flowers, and they've actually been quite successful so far. So the first thing I did was cut down some of the shelving I already had to make room for some more plants. I also sorted through my collection of plant pots and decided to keep them here where they'll be easy to grab while potting things on. And the larger seed trays fit nicely on the shelf above. Under the potting table, I've stored all the different composts and growing mediums I'll need for sowing and potting up. And everything else that wasn't really useful in here got moved into the shed. I'd also been collecting cardboard boxes since Christmas because I wanted to use them to create a barrier between the clay soil in this large planter and the compost I was going to add on top. Once the cupboard was down, it was finally time to fill it. Really exciting seeing this bed finished because we landscaped the garden last year, which meant I wasn't able to grow anything here at all. Unfortunately, as soon as I finished, my cat Robin came to inspect it, and I have a feeling this might quickly become his giant litter tray. So I've had to put a net over the top to protect it. I made a door so that you can open it and still get to it, but if you have any better looking ideas, then please let me know. After that, I filled the two small planters and just used these metal grids to get those covered as well. It's already the middle of March and I'm feeling quite behind because I have all of these seeds that need to be sown this month. Having the potting table set up meant that I could get my next batch of seeds started really quickly. So as well as trying cut flowers, I'm going to be trying a lot more veg that I've never grown before. Oh, and some more flowers, because why not? Since the greenhouse is a small space, everything stays within arm's reach, which is really handy. So as long as I keep it tidy and minimal, I think this little space is going to really work perfectly. The boys love to join in where they can, watering the plants, and I've got them to sow the quick growing seeds like salads and radishes to try to keep their enthusiasm.
Fill it up to the top, yep.
That's with your watering can.
One thing that was really starting to annoy me was having to refill my tiny watering can at the tap every few minutes. So I added a water container with a little tap, which means I can fill it up once and water everything from here. At this point, the greenhouse was completely overflowing with seedlings. So I decided to get a mini greenhouse and some extra shelving. The mini greenhouse will stay slightly cooler, which is actually perfect for the cut flowers. And later on, I'll be able to use it as a cold frame to help harden them off before planting them outside. because I may have slightly overdone it with the seeds this year. So things are starting to fill up very quickly in here, but it finally feels like the growing season has begun. Now I just need everything to actually grow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!